You may not know this, but your website traffic is at risk. AI-powered search summaries like Google's AI overviews have been around since May of 2024, and they're already changing how your business is found online. This means fewer clicks, fewer visitors, and less business. Studies show organic traffic dropping by as much as 64% after these AI overviews launched last year, and it's going to get worse. It'd be useful to know how to prepare for this now, right? I've been warning about this shift for over 2 years in my book The Wolf is at the Door, my free AI marketing trend report. Now, if you didn't get the free resources, don't worry, just hit the link below. You're gonna need them, especially this year. Think about it. You use ChatGPT or Google. You get an instant summary, which is known as a search generative experience. Great for users, bad for your business. It's called a zero-click search. There's no need to click through to a detailed blog post when you can get a summarized result in seconds, which means you lose the opportunity to generate a lead or make a sale. So what does this mean for getting your business found online in 2025 and counteracting this drop in traffic? Well, first, you must understand how the landscape has already changed. Then I'll tell you how to adapt to it, because despite the challenges, there are still a lot of great opportunities if you take first mover advantage. The last one is the most important of all. First up, you need to know that consumer behavior is changing. Instead of just searching on Google, users are getting answers directly from now ChatGPT search, Google summaries, or Perplexity AI. Google is no longer the site you just want to optimize for SEO. The focus needs to shift to getting featured in these AI overviews in the top positions, regardless of the AI search engine being used. We've got a full breakdown on how to do this in the free guide below. Secondly, you need to take the time to check your website statistics to see where your traffic is now coming from. My site is now getting traffic from ChatGPT and Perplexity AI, which indicates key opportunities that your competitors likely aren't keyed in on yet, giving you the upper hand. So how do you optimize your website to rank in AI overviews regardless of the platform? Well, you take these 3 steps. Step 1, Google has and will always likely prioritize high-quality, trustworthy content to help users get credible answers. To achieve that, it means using Google's EAT guidelines, which stands for content that contains experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. While yes, you can use AI to assist in creating this content, you gotta be careful. AI often generates generic information that is more likely to dilute the authority of your brand and go against Google's guiding principles. In fact, Originality AI conducted a study after the March Google search update and found that Google de-indexed 79,000 websites. But guess what? 50% of the sites had 90 to 100% of their posts generated by AI. Your content must be original. And in a world where everyone is using AI to bulk create, this is where you gain your competitive edge. And I've got insider tips via the link below to help you get started. Secondly, look beyond Google. For example, GPT Search just launched, which is OpenAI's new search engine that uses Bing for its generative AI overviews because it's part of the Microsoft ecosystem. So when you're optimizing to appear in Bing search results, you're also optimizing to appear in ChatGPT search. And here's why this matters. Recent data reveals that ChatGPT receives approximately 3.8 billion monthly visitors as of November 2024, and it's growing fast. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna log into your Bing Search Console and link it to your website if you haven't already, to identify any issues and opportunities within your site. I've got the details on how to do this in the link below. Third, there is a huge opportunity to get traffic from Perplexity AI directly. Now, if you're not aware, Perplexity is a growing search engine with over 50 million monthly visitors. It allows you to create tailored spaces to specific topics to help you appear in its search results. Taking action now gives you an edge that your competitors simply don't have. Finally, here's the number one thing that you must do now if you're not already. Optimize your opt-in process on your website before you even begin to notice a dip in traffic. Back in 2020, when the Facebook ad algorithm changed, ad monthly sales dropped from $170,000 per month down to $10,000. The only thing that saved my business was the fact that we had been aggressive in generating leads in conjunction with our Facebook ads. Inevitably, there's going to be major disruptions in your business along the way. You must always protect the downside. So here's what you're going to do now. Focus on exit intent pop-ups to convert the visitors you do have over to your email list. Do a combination of free guides or my personal favorite, quizzes, because they offer something that AI overviews don't. Personalized insights into where the customer is on their journey, so you can tailor your offer and their experience to their needs. Think quizzes don't work? The quiz for my best-selling book Unstoppable generated over 70,000 leads. The bottom line, the biggest disruptions due to AI are still yet to come. Prepare now so you're not caught off guard. Hit the link below to grab the free resources today.